So hi y'all, welcome to my channel, and for today we're going to be reviewing a couple of lenses from this brand called as Olens, and this is one of my most trusted and the most used brand when it comes to contact lenses. I think when I started off with contact lenses, these were the ones which I first tried out, and they were super comfortable and they're very beginner friendly. So we're going to be trying out 3 pairs of lenses from the Zenith 3 color range, and let's start off. So before we get started ahead with the review, any of the Olens contact lenses are available in India. They also have their own official website and they're also sold on Nykaa. I'll leave the links down in the description bar below for you to check it out, so make sure that you do it. So these you don't have to pay customs and they're a lot more easier to ship. They're much more hassle free, and the quality of these is like amazing. I've already tried out their lenses, so we're going to be trying out 3 more couple of styles and see whether they work on the Indian kind of like a medium to tan skin tone, and kind of just see how it works along. So let's get started. So coming to the packaging, these come in a cardboard packaging and they're like 2 small wires inside, one for the left eye and for the other right eye, and you basically have to just break the seal and you can get started by using it. So on that note, let's just start off with the try on, and I'll keep explaining all the colors as we go along. So the first shade which I'm going to be showing you is natural grey, and I'm wearing it right now. So it has a little bit of yellow towards the pupil area, and then it spreads slowly into a lighter grey, and then from the lighter grey into a darker tone of grey. So it also has a couple of lines in the middle. It is not a very smooth line, it's more curved. So not curved exactly, it kind of looks a little more diffused, and that just makes it look so much more natural and it does not look fake at all. So I will be showing you close-ups of it too, but I think this lens would look great for pretty much any makeup look and any skin tone. Even the darker and the deeper, duskier skin tones would definitely find this absolutely fabulous on their skin tone too, as well as the lighter skin tones. So when it comes to very natural looking and everyday contact lenses, the 2 most common colors which we tend to go in for is basically browns and grays. But when it comes to a brown, the problem is that sometimes with a very cool tone makeup look, something like a pink which I'm wearing today, a brown can look a little too fake on the eyes, because brown just works better with much more warmer tones when it comes to makeup. But the grey contact lens pretty much works across both the spectrums. I would say that a grey contact lens is a much more safer option to go in for if you're looking for a beginner friendly contact lens. So the second pair of lenses is the Zenith 3 color Sky Grey, and as you can see, this is definitely a lot more lighter than the previous one, and this also has a little bit of kind of like a dark blue tinge along with it. So I think that one was a little more of a slate grey kind of a color, and this has a little bit of a bluishness along with the grey, and the grey is definitely a lot more lighter in this one than the previous one. This also has a tiny bit of like a yellow toned mustard along the rim. This yellow isn't as strong as the previous one, it's more of like a brownish kind of a yellow, and then it slowly diffuses into a very light grey and then into a sky grey kind of a color. I think this is super cool if you want a grey color, but you don't want something too dark, you want something in the mid-toned kind of color, because a light grey can look a little too strong for the Indian complexion. So I think this is a perfect fit which also balances out really well. So moving on to the third shade, which is the Zenith 3 tone brown. This is definitely more on the brownish side and has a tinge of like a dirty brown green color with it, which is pretty cool because it does not look way too fake when it is a mixture of 2 to 3 tones, which is something I really love. And this one also has certain lines to create that texture, like as though it is a real natural eye. I would definitely say that this is the perfect pair of lenses for you to try, especially if you're trying out contact lenses for the first time. So these are manufactured in Korea, and they're also made of HEMA, which is basically like the material used for manufacturing your lenses, and they have like 38% of water in the lenses. You know that feeling with contact lenses when you wear them for probably around 6 hours or more, your eyes start to get a little more dry and the contact lens started gets a little more harder. So that does not happen with these because they have high amounts of water in their lenses, which makes it super comfortable to wear for a longer period. So coming to the wear time of these lenses, these are half-yearly lenses, so you can basically wear them for 6 months from the date of starting to use it, like basically from the time you open the packet. And each of these, they retail for 1,890 rupees, which in my opinion is a pretty good cost, because considering the fact that it is like really good quality and it doesn't dry out your eyes, and also considering the number of months you will be able to use these. So I got these at 0 power, but if you want, they also make them at a certain power value, and that just makes it a lot more versatile. So coming to another very important factor when it comes to contact lenses is the diameter of the lens. So basically, like, there are different diameters which manufacturers make, and the one which I got is basically 14 mm. So for my eyesight, it just fits really well. It does not look too big, and there are a couple of times when you try out a couple of contact lenses, and if the sizing of it, if basically the diameter does not fit right, it will kind of feel like it looks way too fake, because it looks a lot more bigger, or it can look a lot more smaller on your eyes, and it will just not sit properly on your eye. So that does not happen to me with these pair of lenses. These kind of sit really well on my eye, and 14 mm pretty much works really good on me. And when you see the printed part, which is basically like the entire pattern part of it, that is only 13.4 mm. So the remaining is just a little bit of clearance. That way it just sits a lot more smoother on the eyes. I think it just fits really well. It does not really feel like you're wearing a pair of contact lenses, and you can pretty much see very clear through your contact lenses. It does not feel blurry or a little, like some lenses, they kind of have a bit of grayness in it. That does not happen with these. You pretty much don't feel like you're actually wearing anything on your eyes. So this completes the review, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure that you try out the Gen 3 color collection from Olens. I would say that natural grey and brown are one of my most favorite shades, and sky grey is a little more of a fun kind of a color to kind of use and kind of amp up your look at the same time. I think these are great, and they feel super comfortable and very lightweight on the eyes, and these are definitely a big thumbs up from my side. So don't forget to check out the links down in the description bar below for where you can get the products, and also the pricing and all details will be given down in the description bar. So give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye.